Let's talk about two trading tools, Lux Algo versus Elite Algo. Both plug into TradingView, but they approach trading very differently. Lux Algo is like the toolkit for traders who love deep analysis. You get customizable overlays, trend confirmation filters, support and resistance zones, AI-powered backtesting, and even multiple time frame analysis. It's powerful, but it takes time to really master. The big plus here is the massive Discord community where traders share strategies and insights. Versus, on the other hand, Elite Algo is built for simplicity. It gives you automated buy and sell signals, stop loss, and take profit suggestions, and even auto-detected support and resistance levels. It also has the Elite Oscillator, which helps spot momentum shifts and divergences. Basically, it's plug and play, much easier for beginners or people who don't want to tweak settings for hours. So which one should you choose? If you are an experienced trader who wants deep customization and vast tools, Lux Algo is your playground. But if you want straightforward, beginner-friendly approach with signals you can act as fast, Elite Algo makes more sense. Both can improve your trading, but the real winner depends on your style. Do you want control and depth, or automation and simplicity? If this video helps, make sure to subscribe.